Hey, hello there. Welcome back to a big winter update today. We have we have winter storm for portions of Idaho and then Montana for the next 2 days, and then also on top of that, the Northeast could be getting something maybe later this weekend, possibly Saturday going to Sunday. No, I mean Sunday going to Monday. So, we'll be timing all that out, and this is gonna be relatively busy. As with yesterday's blizzard that went through. So yeah, we have winter storm warnings issued for portions of Michigan, and then Montana, Wyoming, and then also winter storm watches issued for West Virginia, then North Carolina. You could see a couple inches of snow, possibly 3 to 5. Possibly in the mountain regions, probably 5 to 8 is possible for the 8. With also winter weather advisories for Michigan, Nebraska, Iowa, and then Kansas. That's probably gonna extend eastward. But there's an Arctic air, and that's why we have wind chill warnings for North Dakota and Minnesota, and then with also wind chill advisories for Wisconsin, Minnesota, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Montana. You could see wind chills up to -50 for portions of North Dakota and Minnesota. So this is quite interesting, and this is definitely going to be a very wild weekend going into next week also. I'm going to be entering the next thing we're going into is the winter storm severity scale, and that's possible impacts that you could see. And you could see extreme impacts from Missoula, and then Billings, major, with also extreme impacts for areas of lake effect around we're near Buffalo, not, and then also for portions of also New York, Michigan, and then but also you see moderate impacts. That's where you could also get some blowing snow, possibly. We're gonna have many clipper systems moving through the next couple of days. Yesterday's overperformed. We got 3 inches of snow here in TGHQ. But this is definitely gonna be a pretty significant time, as we have very Arctic chill that is gonna be prolonged for a while. It could be prolonged for a couple weeks at most. But you can definitely see high risk out west. You can see Idaho, Montana, and then Wyoming, also stretching into Colorado and Utah, high risk. Then you can see up north where Michigan is, you see a high risk also for where they're getting a ton of snow also. They're forecasted a couple inches. Well, a couple is a tiny bit, an understatement. So this is quite an experience, I'd say. But tomorrow as well, and then we're gonna be entering day 5, day 4 or 5, and that's when we're gonna have the potential winter storm for the Northeast. Now this is definitely gonna be running up the coast, but what it does, how close it gets to the coast is right now kind of uncertain. But right now, impacts to North Carolina and then Virginia, West Virginia is seeming to be pretty high, somewhat high. But and you can definitely see here, chances of receiving at least a 1/4 inch of sleet or snow equivalent. Liquid equivalent. And you can definitely see New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut, the Maine. You're at 50 to 70%, and then you can see a small portion of 70 to 90% chance. So that is really all I can say for this. So it's really it for the video. Tomorrow we'll have some more information for the Northeast. And since it's expected to snow tomorrow in TGHQ, we could probably get some more footage of that maybe. It's expected to be a wild weekend, especially for next week. Expect to be negative, like, 12. So miles per point now is going to be negative 30 next Friday. Can't really do much about it though. I'm hope for the best, but apart from that, that's really it. See you next video, and goodbye.